El Salvador is going through a currency crisis. But it's not because of any underlying economic weakness. The Latin American nation declared Bitcoin legal tender last year, and it's turned out to be a very, very bad bet.
There are people who don't have money to invest, and when the price of Bitcoin goes down, they lose.
Bitcoin has lost more than half of its value since November. Other digital currencies are far deeper in the red, including ones that have been marketed as safe. The supposedly stable coin Terra, which had been pegged to the dollar, is now worth just 7 cents. Another token, Luna, was once worth $100. These days, you can get one for less than a penny.
El problema es que esta crisis no es coyuntural, no es una bajada de precio momentánea.
The problem is that this crisis is not temporary. It's not a momentary price drop, but rather it's really putting several Bitcoin whales and global companies in check. So it may be a drop in value that will not recover.
It's part of a broader slump in the cryptocurrency market. Once valued at more than $3 trillion, it's now fallen to $1.2 trillion. The crash has led to a chorus of policymakers calling for increased regulation. European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde says cryptocurrencies are worthless, calling the whole thing a global Ponzi scheme. Meanwhile, the UN is warning that if the market is left to its own devices, risks go beyond just losses for investors.
Groups such as ISIL and Al-Qaeda remain active on social media, using platforms and messaging applications to share information and communicate with followers for the purposes of recruitment, planning, and fundraising. And the increasing availability of digital payment methods, such as cryptocurrencies, brings additional challenges.
The IMF has been less skeptical, saying cryptocurrencies offer plenty of benefits as they make transactions cheaper and more convenient. Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva says governments need to be able to regulate risks out of the market. That way, going all in won't mean risking everything. Paolo Montecillo, TRT World.